Do you ever find yourself frustrated trying to reply to messages on Instagram from your PC? Well, you're in luck. Instagram has recently rolled out a new update that makes it easier than ever to reply to messages on the desktop version of the platform. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to easily reply to a message on Instagram on your PC. First, open up your Instagram account on your desktop browser. Once you're logged in, navigate to your messages to find the chat that contains the message you want to reply to. Next, hover over the message you want to reply to. You should see an arrow icon or a reply button appear. Click on this icon to open up the reply box. Now it's time to craft your response. Simply type out your message in the reply box and then click the send button. Your reply will then be sent to the recipient, just like if you were using the mobile app. And there you have it. Reply to messages on Instagram on your PC is as easy as that. No more struggling to navigate the platform just to respond to a simple message. We hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.